Hey everyone, if you're needing to change out your battery on your 2015 Jeep Wrangler, it's really easy to do. If you pop the hood on the passenger side, you'll see it setting right here. So right down there is the battery mount, and you'll want to get you a 10 millimeter with a little bit of an extension. Reach down in there, grab your battery mount with the bolts, and then lift it up and out just like that. Then you can take the same 10 mil socket, come up here and loosen up your negative ground terminal off your battery. Once it's loose a little bit, you should be able to wiggle it and pop it up. Then go over to the positive, do the same thing. Once you get it loose, you should be able to turn it with your hand. If not, keep the socket on there and just kind of wiggle it. Sometimes if it's, especially if it's corroded, you'll have to get a screwdriver or something and pop it underneath here to get the terminal off. But a lot of times you can just pop it up like that. Once you get the two terminals off, now all you gotta do is just lift the battery up and out of its location. Now it may be easier for you to disconnect your purge valve off the side right here and kind of lift it up and bring it up and over just slightly. Just be careful with your vacuum lines. That'll give you a little bit more clearance whenever you're taking the battery out. But once you get the battery out, then you'll be able to go ahead and put the new one in. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the lead acid battery, and I'm going to put this AGM battery in there. So just drop it right back in the way that you removed the old one. Alright, so now once you got the new battery installed, just reverse process. Now if your battery seems like it's too big and it won't fit down in there, sometimes there's little brackets and things down at the bottom that you can remove to give you more room for a bigger battery. Go ahead and take your battery mount clamp down there, put it right back into the position. Okay, now that you got the battery hold down back in the position, now go ahead and remove your protective caps off from the terminals. Now most new batteries are already cleaned up top, but I usually like to go ahead and run a cleaner over it just slightly, just to make sure. Once you clean those, make sure that your battery terminals are clean also. Now I've already cleaned these terminals, but you want to take the other end of this battery terminal cleaner, take this little brush right here, run it inside, get all the corrosion and acid left over, everything off from it, so that you get a good, nice good solid connection. So go ahead and place the positive on there. Okay, so a lot of times whenever I'm working on batteries like this, their terminals and things have been messed with so much that they have little grooves on the tighteners on them, how the battery terminals tighten up. So you might need to take this one off, and I've already did this, but if you take the nut completely off from, which is the tightening nut on the terminal, take it completely off and take the little hold down, the little tightening clamp down, and slightly bend these little nubs in. Okay, so whenever you slightly bend those in, it'll kind of change the position that it's tightening up underneath here. You can see the shiny spot in there where the nut was on there, and it's not wanting to move at all. But whenever you tighten those up and bend them around, then it actually it puts it in a different place for the nut to grab onto. And so if you can't get your terminals tight, you'll also be able to get your little pair of pliers and squeeze the terminal just slightly, and it'll help you reposition where that nut is grabbing onto the tightening piece and allow you to get your terminal tight. Now you kind of have to be careful with what you're doing here. You don't want to cross or short out anything with your pliers, and you don't want to squeeze it down so tight that you tear up the terminals on the new battery. But you can see, let me see if I can zoom it up and show you where I'm going to be moving the tightening part of the terminal. You can just kind of see it moving right there underneath the nut. So if you get it on there in the right spot, you can't hold it from the opposite side, but just slightly get it, put a little bit of tension on there, and then you'll be able to tighten up your nut, and it'll really help you be able to tighten up the terminal itself. And I know it's really hard to tell. I don't have the pliers on the back side back here holding it. It's only holding the front side, and it's putting a little bit of pressure on the terminal. But it's allowing me to tighten it up and get get it really snug. Once it's snug, you don't want to crank down on too hard, but then that should be good. And this is, you only need to do this if the terminals are loose, which a lot of times whenever I'm seeing these terminals are loose, they won't tighten up, but you can see how this one's now tight. And I'm gonna have to do the same thing over here, which I already did, where I took the nut off and bent those little tabs in, and then I'm gonna put the pliers right here and squeeze on this just to give the nut, get the nut to go over a little bit further to tighten up the terminal. So hopefully you'll be able to see this right here. See how I'm flexing that terminal in slightly. So I'm going to tighten up my pliers, which is holding the hold down. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, once it's snug, it should be good. Again, you don't want to crank down on it, but then just make sure that your terminal is completely tight. So now it's as tight as it can be. And then make sure that you put your valve right here back into position. Just slide it back down over its position. And that's how you change out your battery on your 2015 Jeep Wrangler. It's really not hard to do, but if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me, like it, share it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching again, everyone.